If I want to add new documents to my Google Docs, I can come up to Create New and then choose from my drop-down menu. Now the first three, Document Presentation and Spreadsheet, are all very similar to Microsoft programs. Form and Drawing are other unique programs for Google Docs. So let's look at the actual document files. Now Google Docs created this to be very similar to Microsoft Word so that it would be an easy transition for people. First thing I would do though is always rename your document. If you look in the top left hand corner here, it says Untitled Document. If I click, I can rename it. I'm just going to call it Anthony's Example. Now the nice thing is, if you look to the right hand side, it's going to continue to save my document very quickly and very rapidly, so that if something ever happened, like my computer crashed or I lost battery power or internet connection, it's going to save and it's going to be very close to when I last finished whatever I was working on. So let's look at some of our basic options. Within the file, I have the ability to upload actual Microsoft program or Microsoft files that I may have on my computer and then actually work with them within the Google Docs. On the other way, I can actually download Google Docs and turn them into PDFs and Microsoft Word files that I could use directly on my computer if I can't be online. So that's nice depending on what type of situation I'm currently in. Editing just has the most basic of editing options, such as undo, redo, copy and pasting, and also finding and replacing text within the document. Insert will cover some more of those options later. Formatting is still very similar to the formatting you'd have within Microsoft Word. And then the table, I can create a table within my document that I could use however I'd like. Now one of the great things about Google Docs is that I can have multiple people working on the same document at one time. The only exception to that is that if I have a table, only one person can work within anywhere within the table at one time, but I could be on different lines within the entire document. So there are some great options there, especially if you're thinking about students working together, to have multiple students working on the same document together. So let's just look at some of the features you can do within Google Docs.